Hi, this is Dr. Vivek, and as you all know that my favorite vitamin is vitamin D. I have treated many of the patients just by vitamin D. I myself take it whenever I am not in sun for a long period of time. Yes, I also need. Everyone, we all need it. It works as an hormone. Our skin makes it. It affects our endocrine system. It affects our mental health. Bone is, yes, it affects our bone, but yes, it affects many other parts of our body. If there are lots of hair fall, then good growth of hair, this is also related to vitamin D. Lethargic, bad mood, irritation, all these are the symptoms of low vitamin D. But many times these things happen that a person is taking vitamin D, he comes to me with an analysis, or I ask him to do the analysis of vitamin D, and there I see that vitamin D levels are lower. They are not totally depleted, but yes, after taking for a year or 6 months, still the vitamin D is on the lower side. What is the mistake done? The mistake is done at the time when to have vitamin D. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin as vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin K. Fat-soluble vitamin means you need fat in the stomach for the digestion or the use of this vitamin. So it should not be taken on an empty stomach. In the morning, just don't pop the vitamin D capsules on empty stomach because it's not going to help. Eat something. It's best is to take it with the meals, with your breakfast, with your lunch, but not with your dinner. This is another mistake that you should avoid. See, in the researches, it has been found that vitamin D interferes with the melatonin. So as we all know that melatonin helps us in sleep. It is responsible for a deep, good sleep. So that's why we don't want to play with that stuff. That's why don't take vitamin D at night, at dinner or before sleep. In the daytime, in the lunch and in the breakfast, whenever you are comfortable, take it. It will be effective. What kinds of fat can be eaten? See, with the meal you can eat, it's the best thing. Either any kinds of seeds, cheese, fruits as avocado, where you have the fat, these kinds of stuff, nuts, you can eat. Olive oil, after this you can just eat the vitamin D, as some people take the ghee, the clarified butter or olive oil, different kinds of oil in the morning, empty stomach. So after this also you can take. So the summary of the story is you have to take vitamin D with meal or just after the meal, not on empty stomach and not on night. But take vitamin D or go in the sun and get the vitamin D from there. At least once or twice in a year, have your vitamin D checked. This will give you energy, this will give you beauty, this will give you a good mood. What else do you want? So just take vitamin D, it will make you smile more, stay happy, stay healthy.